How's it going, guys? This is Maxwell Hennon up at MarineMax of Rogers. Behind me, we've got the 2023 Premier 230 Sunsation. We've got the crimson red accent panels along with the satin silver rails. One thing I want to point out on this boat is that we've got an integrated docking light and nav light combo right up here. It's right on the deck. It's really seamless, makes it look really fantastic on the water. Moving around to the back of the boat here, we've got a 200 horsepower Mercury, so it's more than enough power to pull your family, pull your kids, everything that you need. We've got the integrated tow bar as well, along with a rear boarding ladder on the back. We've got a lot more options inside the boat. Let's take a look. Hi guys, welcome inside. I want to point out the interior colors of this boat. We've got the Sandy Oasis flooring, and we've got the cream interior. One of the great things about this pontoon is this dual backrest that converts into a very large sun pad so that your family and kids can all lounge around, tan. It's really kind of a great feature of this boat. So nice and easy up and down. And then on our port side here, we've got this great little phone box right here with the USB charging inside. We've got integrated cup holders in the cushion on either side. And around the back, before we move up front, we've got this nice gate here on either side, stainless steel rails. It means that you can sit down here, look at the rear of the boat while you're underway. Moving to the helm here, we've got a beautiful layout. We've got the Lowrance hook unit up front. We've obviously got our dual gauges here, one for speed, one for tack. Clarion audio unit here, and we've got electronic throttle and shift. Right here we obviously got our horn, nav lights. We also got courtesy lights inside this boat, docking lights, everything that you're going to need. We also have a 12-volt plug-in for air compressor, if you need to, power up those tubes, and we also have another USB docking station here. Really nice helm chairs here. You and the passenger can recline, they can move, rotate side to side. Coming to the front here, we've got this trash disposal door right here. We've got a very large and deep ski locker where you can put all the posts, or you can put the tubes, skis, whatever you need down there. Lots of storage space underneath the cushions. They're all hinged, which is super nice. As you can see, you've got lots of deep storage in here, both sides, so you can put all your life jackets, ropes, everything else you need. And that about sums up the 230 Sunsation. And this is here at our Rogers location. You can call, make an appointment, or walk right in. We'll show you this beautiful boat. Like and subscribe.